verified voters in San Fernando, La Union are making themselves available for biometrics registration. Meanwhile, Comelec's Waka Waka voter information campaign takes another two-day break, starting tomorrow after covering several towns in 3 northern Luzon provinces. Haji Camino with the details.
The Commission on Elections local office in San Fernando City, La Union recorded a total voting population of 66,022 as of October 2013. 6,454 individuals, which is less than 10% of the total registered voters, have no biometrics yet. The record shows better signs, considering that the local office has not yet conducted satellite registrations among barangays. Each day, the number of captured biometrics is increasing. Comelec spokesperson Director James Jimenez lauds the data presented by San Fernando local office, but sees a room for improvement and consistency. Jimenez spoke in front of local government officials and local PNP at the San Fernando City Hall as part of an open forum.
Well, sa tingin ko very effective yung yung local Comelec kasi from 6,000 they already have 200 and it's been less than so that's a very good record. But what the trick really is to sustain that sort of effort, no? Maganda yung good start, but what's even more important is that you maintain that good start. And that's what we're helping them do. And that's what we're confident the San Fernando Comelec office will be able to do.
To boost the information dissemination campaign, Comelec also tapped the PNP for a partnership which will help them distribute flyers as part of the voters' education program.
Yung kapulisan, covered nila lahat ng barangay. And right now, nag-form tayo ng parang partnership sa kanila na para ma-distribute yung ating mga materials para mapaalam sa publiko yung kanilang requirements para sa pagpapa-register at pagpapa-validate.
Meanwhile, the issue regarding Janet Lim Napoles list, which is said to contain names of government officials involved in the PDAP scam, is heating up. In relation, Comelec urges the public not to focus on the list, instead, give attention and involvement in the voters list for 2016 presidential elections.
Ang laman ng balita ay puro listahan Listahan ni ganito, listahan ni ganyan. Isa lang naman ang list na kailangan problemahin ng botante, yung voters list. Yun yung list na kung wala ka doon, may problema ka. Not the other way around.
As the open forum ended, Jimenez reminded the officials of how important the voters are, which have the power to choose the right leader for the country. With cameraman Romel Tagbas, for the People's Television Network, Haji Camino, La Union.